The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to channel 25 for further details.
Brilliant! Yeah, you learn a few tricks as you get older.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Erie County Emergency Management. All roads in Erie County are now closed to non-emergency personnel. Most streets are impassable and driving is extremely difficult. If you are stranded on the roads, emergency vehicles may not be able to reach you. If you are stranded, do not leave your vehicle. Run your vehicle 10 minutes per hour, and crack a downwind window for ventilation.